Volcanic geothermal energy is a renewable energy source making use of the thermal energy generated and stored in Earth. It is used in some geologically active locations to produce a more usable form of energy. This is an idea originally noticed by European settlers as they moved westward across the continent in 1807. These people migrated towards the warmth of Yellowstone area, which is actually in the caldera of an active volcano. Eventually, the previous use of this heat and idea of energy conversion influenced and changed the way people could generate energy. Nowadays, geothermal energy is produced and generators produce electricity in places like Iceland and Japan. Geothermal energy using heat from volcanoes is often a multi-step process. Hot water and steam from deep within the earth is used to generate electricity. There are three main types of geothermal power plants: dry steam, flash steam, and binary cycle plants. Dry steam plants use hot water piped directly from geothermal spots into power plant generators. The steam will travel upwards through a pipe and spin a turbine, creating electricity. Flash steam plants use water that is between 300 and 700 degrees Fahrenheit that has been brought up in a well. Some of it turns to steam, driving the turbine, while the rest is sent back into the ground to eventually cool steam. Binary cycle plants use a semi-heated geothermal water and transfer the heat in the water to another liquid, like isobutane. The other liquid will boil at a lower temperature than the water, letting it being turned into steam that can then spin the turbines. As simple, easy, and environmentally sound as geothermal energy might seem, it is not perfect. You cannot get this type of energy from just anywhere. Some sort of geological activity beneath the surface is required. The most successful places to harvest such power is in areas with active volcanoes, earthquakes, hot springs, geysers, or places on fault lines in the Earth's crust. Places on Earth that use the most geothermal energy are the United States of America, Indonesia, Iceland, France, Russia, Lithuania, New Zealand, Mexico, Costa Rica, the Philippines, Japan, and Portugal. 70 countries around the world use geothermal heat sources directly. The oldest geothermal power plant was built in Larderella, Italy in 1904. As told by the 21st Century Tech blog, California began generating geothermal energy in 1960 in the mountains. Today, 15 power plants generate enough power to light up and heat 725,000 homes, equivalent to all of San Francisco. The hot water for plants in Iceland run under the road and help to melt ice, creating lovely spas for the people.